Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how your favorite glassware gets its perfect smooth finish and crystal clear look? Well, today we're diving into the world of glassware manufacturing, and it all starts with something you might not expect: a Dolomite mill. Now, I know what you're thinking: what on earth is a Dolomite mill? And why does it matter for my wine glasses or coffee mugs? Simply put, Dolomite is a mineral that's absolutely crucial for creating high-quality glass. It helps control the melting temperature and makes the glass more durable. But here's the thing: you can't just toss raw Dolomite into the mix. It needs to be ground into the perfect consistency, and that's where the Dolomite mill comes in. Imagine this massive industrial machine, specifically designed to crush and grind Dolomite into the finest powder you can imagine. This isn't your average grinder though. We're talking about precision engineering that ensures every particle is exactly the right size for glass production. Why does particle size matter so much? Well, if the Dolomite isn't ground finely enough, it won't melt properly in the furnace. And if it's too fine, that can create bubbles or imperfections in your finished glassware. The Dolomite mill hits that sweet spot every single time. Think about your last fancy dinner party. Those beautiful wine glasses that felt so smooth in your hand? You can thank a Dolomite mill for that. Or your morning coffee in that perfect mug that keeps your drink hot, but doesn't burn your fingers. Yep, Dolomite mill magic at work. What's really cool is how this technology has evolved. Modern Dolomite mills are energy efficient and can process tons of material with incredible consistency. They work around the clock in glass factories worldwide, ensuring that whether you're in New York or Tokyo, you're getting the same quality glassware. So the next time you pour a drink or admire a beautiful glass sculpture, remember it all started with Dolomite being perfectly ground in a specialized mill. From your everyday drinking glasses to high-end laboratory equipment, the Dolomite mill plays a silent but crucial role in glassware manufacturing. It's one of those behind-the-scenes heroes that makes modern life possible, transforming raw minerals into the beautiful functional glass we use every day.